we're right now in still in Urdaneta city, and I postponed not to go to the Philippine National Bank because it's the first day after the long holidays, and plenty of people over there. Uh, I'm just planning to go back. Thank you. To Indian store. It's very hot day today. So we actually came back to the main signal, and from here I have to take left all the way to go down. I will catch you. So the signal is again down, and we are going to take left. So before it will go up, we will take left. So this is the main bazaar, you can say, the main market of Urdaneta itself. And always, whenever we are coming here, it's congested because of the market. So here on the left side street, there are plenty of shops of different kind of things and stuff, and so on. And here on my left hand side, there is a mostly mobile accessory shop, and there was on the corner there was some I forgot the number 186 something like that mall, which has mostly plenty of shops inside for the mobiles and other accessories and so on. The left hand side is Magic Mall of Urdaneta. And on my right hand side video, the Guana, Valorica, and so on. So if you will turn, take left from here. So probably I will pass by again or maybe next time. This is a vegetable fruit market. Right now we are heading towards Indian store. Hopefully they are open today. Because the last time when I went over there. They said they will open by afternoon.